Good morning. Today we are in Garfield, New Jersey. You know the homes that are like little postage stamps with a 7-foot wide driveway? Well, we're being told that the tank is in there, so we got real tight access. I can't dig and then swing the bucket. So we've done them before. I think it's one way, a roadway, alternate side of the parking, so I don't know. I never know, right? No surprise. Why don't I even try? But that's what we're doing. We're gonna load up everything. Actually, we're gonna figure out what we're gonna load up, and then we'll head out to Garfield, New Jersey. We'll see you there. Okay, so oh my gosh, or oy vey, with the parking here. Nice homeowner though, watches all of our stuff. That always makes it enjoyable. So we are in Garfield, New Jersey, trying to find spots for everything. Illegally parked everywhere. This ought to be a good one. good, Guy. Appreciate it. Your hoodie is in the mail. That's another fine job by Tank Masters Environmental, Garfield, New Jersey.